Good afternoon, my dear sweet little children. Okay, how are you? Fine. Very good. I am also fine. So how you will say? I am fine. Thank you. How you will say? I am fine. Thank you. Very good. What is the name of your school? You have known? You know what is the name of the school? How you will say? The name of my school is Gokuldas Public School. The name of my school is Gokuldas Public School. Very good. Okay. Where do you live? Where do you live? I live in Khargon. I live in Khargon. Very good. In which class you are studying? In which class you are studying? I am studying in class nursery. I am studying in class nursery. Very good, man. Clap for you, all of you. Clap. Very good. So, all of you, fold your hands and sit properly. What you will do? Yes, my sweet children, fold your hands and sit properly. Okay? Look at the board. We have learned letter E. Which letter is this? Letter E. Look here. How you will write letter E? Standing line, sleeping line, sleeping line, and again sleeping line. So which letter will form? Letter E. Which letter is this? Letter E. Standing line, sleeping line, sleeping line, and again sleeping line. So which letter is this? Letter E. E for elephant. E for egg. E for eyes. E for ears. Okay. What we have learned? E for elephant. E for egg. E for eyes. E for ears. Yes. So we have learned letter E. Which letter is this? Letter E. Very good. So today we will do some exercise related letter E. What we will do? We will do some exercise related letter E. Okay. So my dear student, all of you fold your hands and sit properly. Okay. And look at the board. Well, look at the board. So look here. Look here, all of you. What is this? Help elephant to reach forest by joining letter E. E for elephant. Look here, this is elephant. We have elephant have to reach forest. Elephant has to go forest. So what we have to do? We have to join letter E and help the elephant to reach forest. What we will do? We will join letter E. We will join letter E and help elephant to reach forest. Where elephant want to go? Tell me. Elephant want to go in the forest. Where does elephant live? You know? Elephant live in forest. Where does elephant live? Elephant live in forest. So we will help elephant to reach forest. Okay. So all of you look here. Which letter is this? Sleeping line, standing line. Which letter is this? Letter T. So we will join letter T? No. What we have to do? We have to join letter E. Okay, look at the next letter. Standing line, sleeping line, sleeping line, and again sleeping line. So, which letter is this? Letter E. So, we will help elephant. Okay, so we will join next letter E. Look here. Which letter is this? Standing line, sleeping line. Which letter is this? Letter L. So, we will join letter L? No, we have to join only letter E. We have to join only letter E. Okay, so look at the next letter. Standing line, sleeping line, standing line. Which letter is this? H. So, this is letter E? No. Which letter is this? Letter H. So, we will join the line? No. We will not join the line. Okay, look at the next letter. Which letter is this? Standing line, sleeping line, sleeping line, and again sleeping line. So, which letter is this? Letter E. So, we will join the line. Yes, we will join the line to letter E. Okay, look at the next letter. Which letter is this? Slanting line, sleeping line. Which letter is this? Letter E. So, this is letter E? No, we will not join the letter. Okay, look at the next letter. Standing line, sleeping line, and again sleeping line. So, which letter is this? Letter F. Which letter is this? Letter F. So, we will join the line? No, we will not join the letter. Okay, now look at the next letter. Okay, standing line, sleeping line, and again sleeping line. Which letter is this? Letter E. Which letter is this? Letter E. So, we will join letter E. Okay. Now, look at the next letter. Standing line, slanting line, again slanting line. So, which letter is this? Letter K. So, it looks similar to letter E? No. So, we will not join the line. Okay, look at the next letter. Sleeping line, standing line, sleeping line. Oh, so which letter is this? Letter I. We will join the line? No, we will not join the line. Okay, look at the next letter. Standing line, sleeping line, again sleeping line. So, which letter is this? Letter E. So, what we will do? We will join letter E to E. Okay? Okay, look at the next letter. Sleeping line, standing line. Which letter is this? T. Which letter is this? T. T for tiger. T for tiger. So, it is not similar to letter E. So, we will join? No, we will not join. Look here at the next letter. Standing line, half curve. Which letter is this? Letter B. Which letter is this? Letter B. So, this is letter E? No, this is letter B. So, we will not join the line. Okay, look at the down. Next letter. Standing line, sleeping line, Which letter is this? E. So what we will do? We will join the line E and elephant will reach in the forest. Where do elephant reach? Elephant reach in the forest. Okay. So you have helped the elephant to reach in the forest by joining the lines from E to E. From E to E. Look here. Elephant walk, gone to letter E. Then again elephant walk, reach E. Again walk, reach E. Then again walk, reach E. Again walk letter E and elephant reach to the forest. Okay, did you enjoy? Okay, now elephant is saying thank you my dears. What elephant is saying? Thank you because you helped the elephant to reach in the forest. Yes. So clap all of you. Clap everyone. Very good. Good my dears. So don't make noise. Sit properly. Okay. Now look at the next exercise. What you have to do in this? Find and color the eggs with letter E. What is this? This is egg. Okay. So what you have to do? You have to find letter E in the egg and you have to color it. What you have to do? Color. Okay. What you have to do? You have to color the letter E. Okay. So are you ready? Are you ready? Say loudly. Yes ma'am. Are you ready? You have to say loudly. Yes ma'am. Very good. So all of you look at the board. Find and color the eggs with letter E. What we have to do? We have to find letter E in the egg and we have to color the egg. Okay? Now look at the first egg. Which letter is this? Slanting line, sleeping line. Oh, this is letter E. A. Which letter is this? This is letter A. A for apple. A for apple. A for aeroplane. A for arrow. A for ant. So this is not letter E. So what we will do? We will color the letter A. This letter A in the egg. No, we will not color the letter A in the egg. Okay. Now look at this next egg. What is this? Which letter is this? Standing line, sleeping line, sleeping line, sleeping line. So which letter is this? This is letter E. E for egg. Yes, E for egg. So what we will do? We will color the letter. We will color the egg because it has E letter. What has E letter? In the egg, E letter is there. So what we will do? We will color the egg. Very good. Good, my sweet children. Okay. Now look at the next letter. Look at the next letter. Standing line, sleeping line, sleeping line. Which letter is this? Letter F. Which letter is this? Letter F. F for fish. F for fan. Okay. So we will color this egg? No. We will not color this letter egg because it is F. Which letter is this? This is F letter. So we will not color it. Okay. Now come to the next egg. Look at this egg. Oh. Which letter is this? This is half curve. Which letter is this? Letter C. C for cat. C for cup. So this is not letter E. So you will color it. Say loudly. You will color it. No. You will not color. Why? Because this is letter C. It is not letter E. Okay. Now look at the next. This is standing line, half curve, half curve. Which letter is this? Letter B. B for ball. B for bat. B for boy. Yes. So this is letter E. This is letter E. No. So you will do color? No. We will not color the letter B. We will not color the egg because the letter is B. You have to color only with crayons. Okay? What you have to do? You have to color only with crayons. Okay, look at the next letter. Look at the next egg. Which letter is this? Tell me. Standing line, sleeping line, sleeping line, again sleeping line. Which letter is this? Letter E. Which letter is this? Letter E. E for egg. So what we will do? Say loudly. What we will do? We will color it. What we will do? We will color it. Very good. So color the egg which has letter E. Okay. Which letter is this? Letter E. So what you will do? You will color the egg. Okay. Look at the next egg. Which letter is this? Now you will tell me. I will not tell. Tell me which letter is this and loudly. Okay, you have to say loudly. Which letter is this? Letter E. Very good. Which letter is this? Letter E. Standing line, sleeping line, again sleeping line and again sleeping line. So what you will do? You will color the egg. Very good. Yes, my dears, you are so sweet now. You are giving correct answer. Very good. Now, look at the next egg. Standing line, sleeping line and again standing line. So, which letter is this? Letter H. Which letter is this? Letter H. So, you will color it? No. Okay. Now, look at the next egg. Which letter is this? Standing line and half curve. Standing line and half curve. Which letter is this? Letter D. So you will color this egg? No, you will not color the egg. Okay. So how many egg you have colored? 1, 2, 3. How many egg? 1, 2, 3. Very good. So this exercise you have to do in your English notebook. Okay, in which notebook? English notebook. Very good. Okay, now one more task I want to give you. Look here. What you have to do? You have to make letter E in your notebook. What you have to do? You have to make letter E in your notebook like this, and you have to tear the paper. You have to tear the craft paper and you have to crush like this and you have to paste on letter E. What you have to do? You have to tear the craft paper. You have to crush like this paper. What you have to do? Crush. Okay, crush the craft paper and paste on the letter E like this. Like this, okay, all over the letter E in sleeping line and in standing line. Okay, so do this activity at your home and send me your video pics. Okay, very good. So till then, bye and have a nice day.